Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add Instagram link to YouTube channel. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step. So if you have any problem or any queries within this process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is go to your Instagram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you will be in this particular platform. Now from here, where you need to go is go all the way to your bottom right corner to your profile icon, and over here you can find this share profile option. Now go over here. So as you want to add Instagram link to YouTube channel, what you can do is you can go to this share profile option and then choose YouTube channel, or else what you can do is just copy this link and then your Instagram link will be copied. Now just go to your YouTube channel and then paste it over here. So that's how you're gonna do it. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.